I'm at work right now. You can probably hear the engine humming in the background of my trailer, big refrigerated unit, and my APU humming in the tractor right now to make sure I have AC. Just a quick little update here. The pistons, the only thing I'm waiting for from everything I've ordered is the pistons. They're coming specifically from Summit. They're on back order. Originally they told me that they would ship out the 9th, which is 3 days from now. But now the update is that they will be shipped out on September 30th. So I am waiting for pistons in order to take them and the entire rotating assembly to Scotty at the machine shop so he can measure the piston bore and he can hone the cylinder to match perfectly, because that's what you need to have in order to make consistently reliable power. So like I said, once I get the pistons in, I'll be bringing the whole rotating assembly into Scotty to have it balanced. Also, he will finish the bore on the block. I will also bring him my heads and springs and retainers and locks and locators and all the rest of the hardware that I've got set up for this combination. And we will be back on schedule, because right now we're way behind schedule. My mom is giving me crap about the truck being in her driveway with no engine in it, and there's nothing I can do about it right now. So I am just doing the best I can. But hey, thanks for watching, and to work on your own projects, and I will catch up with you